What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off your subscribers so anybody visiting your channel does not see who you're subscribed to. Now, first off, why would we want to do this? Well, if we have a business channel on YouTube and we want to pay attention to our competitors, it might be a good idea to subscribe to all those competitors. However, if somebody's visiting your YouTube channel, you don't want them to know who you're subscribed to because then they also might go find your competitors, right? Probably. So let's see how we can fix that. Of course, you need to be logged into your YouTube channel, and in order to do that, actually, you know how to do that. But to be sure if you're logged in or not, look in the upper right hand corner and you're going to see the icon image right there. If your icon is right there and it does not say sign in, then you're already signed into your account. Good job. All right, we're going to go to your channel, and once you are at your channel, you will see two blue buttons right here: Customize Channel and YouTube Studio. Now, if you do not see these buttons right here, you are not logged in to your account. Or if you do not see these buttons right here, you are not looking at the correct channel. Make sure you're clicking your channel. All right, it's going to load up here. Once I click load channel, I see my channel right here. My two blue buttons are right here. And I want to click the first blue button, Customize Channel. Once I click Customize Channel, a box should appear. Actually, I take that back. The box is not here yet. What happens when I click Customize Channel was it basically showed my channel again. But you can see if I hover my mouse over certain areas, I have a gear icon. I have this little pencil icon. I can start to edit a couple things. And now I'm in the Customize, or actually the channel editing area. But we want to customize this channel so people do not see our subscribers. No problem. We're going to click this little gear right here in the right hand side. The name of our channel is here. The gear is to the right. And there's that box I was hoping would pop up. This box provides us with channel settings, and you can see right here we have privacy, and you want to make sure that these are grayed out. Keep all my subscriptions private. Okay, so we want to make sure those are grayed out like this. We also have an area here for keep my saved playlists. So if you have playlists such as liked videos or saved videos, we can keep those private or public too. I like to leave those private as well, so I can save my competitors' videos. I can subscribe to my competitors' channels if I want to, and I do not have to make that available to anybody. That's my privacy. And then I'm going to click save, and the settings will be saved, and there we go. All of my subscriptions are now private. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a good day.